A moment of distraction can put the logger at risk. The roar of machinery echoes through the forest, marking the start of a logging day. Get ready for a dramatic and close-up look at the logging process. It's time to begin. Working in residential areas requires absolute precision and skilled control. Each cut is carefully calculated so that the tree falls in the right direction, avoiding impact on surrounding houses. The process of removing the stump is also carried out neatly, safely, and under full control. This is evidence of professionalism, when humans master both machinery and the complex working environment. The K650 Vario is a powerful woodworking machine. It can cut and cut large logs up to 65 centimeters in diameter with a sharp saw blade. In particular, it is equipped with a conveyor belt system that ensures the wood processing process takes place continuously, helping to save time and labor. With its high performance, the K650 is setting a new standard for the modern forestry industry. Transporting timber by trailer is not an easy task, but with a solid steering wheel and seasoned experience, the driver was in control of everything. Fortunately, he was not in danger. Here's a lesson for anyone who does wood handling work. Never cut when the wood is still piled up in the car. This machine is the perfect combination of a powerful torsion motor and a bulldozer. Thanks to the combination of the power of the two machines, the stubborn logs seem to break down quickly. Besides, the sturdy sprocket system helps the bike keep its balance on the ground full of wood chips. forestry activities, horses still prove their value in transporting timber. They can move flexibly through rugged terrain that is difficult for machines to reach. Using horse strength to assist work is an effective method that is also environmentally friendly. Diamant 2000 is the perfect multi-purpose machine. With a powerful crane motor, the machine easily moves a large amount of wood to the line. In addition, the hydraulic system of the machine also helps to crush the tree trunk into wood chips effectively. It is the perfect tool that is indispensable in woodworking workshops. Handling tree branches at height always has potential risks. Even a small negligence can lead to dangerous incidents. This is why we need to carefully calculate and manipulate carefully when cutting trees. The LKT-82 is an extremely powerful wood pulling machine. With a capacity of 130 horsepower, this machine can transport large volumes of wood even in complex terrain. For easy movement, it is designed to be compact with a high chassis and a central braking system. This design ensures safe and accurate operation. SC50 is a powerful stump crusher. Integrated with a powerful drill bit, the machine easily penetrates deep into the ground and completely removes both roots and rootlets. It is the perfect choice for soil clearing tasks, helping to increase productivity and save time. This is the process of removing debris from the soil, which is carried out in many stages. With an efficient operating chain from the combination of many powerful machines, the sand and soil have been screened cleanly. This is a great solution for the task of recycling soil, contributing to environmental protection, and taking advantage of natural resources. The situation in the video is a reminder that we must be cautious when transporting wood with a tractor.
Just like that.
Cutting firewood will become easier when you have this machine in your hands. With a sharp saw blade system, the machine easily cuts tree trunks into even pieces. In addition, the smooth working conveyor system helps to move the wood quickly and efficiently. It is a perfect choice for woodworking tasks. This man cut down trees with incredible precision. Each operation is carefully calculated by him, creating perfect cuts. This is a testament to his high skills and extensive experience in handling large trees. Transporting timber on muddy roads is always a challenge for drivers. Only drivers with skill and composure can get the car and wood to safety. Transporting wood in the snow is not an easy task. Just a little distraction can cause a dangerous malfunction. But with handling experience and solid steering, this driver has overcome the challenge. Cranes and timber trucks are a legendary duo in the forestry industry. The crane is responsible for moving and loading the wood onto the trunk. Meanwhile, trucks take over the work of transporting wood. The smooth coordination between the two machines improves work efficiency and saves time. when cutting trees, we need to operate carefully to ensure our own safety. This is probably an incident that no tree cutter wants to happen. The Cat 521B Feller Buncher Lawnmower is a powerful tree-cutting monster. In just a short time, the machine easily cut down a large tree with a powerful motor. Besides, the sturdy wheel system helps the machine move smoothly on harsh, snowy terrain. This compact machine has a huge amount of power. It is capable of pulling 2 large stems flexibly and efficiently. The crawler system makes it easy to move on all complex terrains. This is probably an incident that no tree cutter wants to have. The crane and the wood crusher are the legendary duo in the forestry industry. Equipped with powerful hydraulic systems, they operate a smooth transmission line from loading and unloading to wood crushing. The good combination between the 2 machines has helped to increase work efficiency and save time in the wood handling process. Transporting wood in the snow has always been a challenge for drivers. However, with skillful technique, they have successfully overcome this challenge. These are skills that only experienced people can do.
Hai, încă un pic. Și când o să venim cu lemnele. Și are foarte mult curaj. Uitați aici, un pic mai de vale. Băia pe aici, s-a bătut de...
Good workers always know how to cut down trees safely without spending too much effort. With skillful technique, this guy has created a deep cut almost all over the trunk. These are skills that only experienced people can acquire.
Wasn't good. Yeah, I fucked up. I bent the fucking blade. Alright, later.